All right, team, we're going to be doing a progressive leasing application right now. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to progressive leasing. Now the link to progressive leasing, the logins and the passwords are all located in the share drive. So what we're going to do here first is going to go ahead and log in. This is where we can see all our approved, pending applications, denied statuses. What we're going to go is online application. Now all we have to do is literally follow all these simple steps here. We're going to go here, read this. Before you start, here's 4 things you're going to need. The employer phone and zip, a photo ID, banking information, routing and checking numbers, and the credit or debit card associated with that card. Once you have all those, you're going to hit agree, and we'll continue at the application. Now application standard. This is all the process. You're going to have questions about yourself, about the income. Now remember, when we file income, we have to make sure that that income is verified for at least 6 months. If they only have 3 months, we'll go ahead and put 6 months, so on and so forth. Payment methods, reviews, and the results. Once we get the results, we'll go back here, and let's say here we're going to click on an approved status. All right. Once we have the approved status here, all we do is type in the amount. Say today we're going to finance $300. The initial payment is going to be $13.75, and the progressive tender amount is $286. This is the amount that will go into the progressive tab on the B2B system when we are checking out a customer. All you have to do here is file your name, the invoice number located on the receipt after we process the transaction. Is the contact number correct? We type is the new or used merchandise. If it's used, we type used, new. Here we give a brief description. So let's say they got an iPhone 7 Plus and a gold package. We would write that in, click next, and move on with the tab. And that is how you do a progressive leasing app.